Antimonium crudum, Allen's keynotes, sulfide of antimony. For children and young people inclined to grow fat calcarea for the extremities of life. Old people with morning diarrhea suddenly become constipated or alternate diarrhea and constipation, pulse hard and rapid. Sensitive to cold air, aggravation after taking cold. Child is fretful, peevish, cannot bear to be touched or looked at, sulky, does not wish to speak or be spoken to, angry at every little attention. Great sadness with weeping, loathing of life, anxious lachrymose mood, the slightest thing affects her. Pulsatilla. Object despair, suicide by drowning. Irresistible desire to talk in rhymes or repeat verses, sentimental mood in the moonlight, spatially ecstatic love, bad effects of disappointed affection, nostrils and labial commissure sore, cracked, and crusty, headache after river bathing from taking cold, alcoholic drinks, deranged digestion, acids, fat, fruit, suppressed eruption. Gastric complaints from overeating, stomach weak, digestion easily disturbed, a thick milky white coating on the tongue, which is the red strand of the remedy, very subject to canker sores in the mouth. Longing for acids and pickles, gastric and intestinal affections from bread and pastry, acids, especially vinegar, sour or bad wine after cold bathing, overheating, hot weather. Constant discharge of flatus up and down for years, belching, testing of ingesta. Mucus in large quantities from posterior nares by hawking, from anus, ichorus oozing, staining yellow mucus piles. Disposition to abnormal growths of the skin. Fingernails do not grow rapidly. Crushed nails grow in splits like warts with horny spots. Large horny corns on soles of feet. Very sensitive when walking, especially on stone pavements. Loss of voice from becoming overheated. Cannot bear the heat of sun. Worse from overexertion in the sun. Aggravation from overheating near the fire. Exhausted in warm weather. Ailments from sunburn. Whooping cough aggravated by being overheated in the sun or in a warm room from cold washing. When symptoms reappear, they change locality or go from one side of the body to the other. Aversion to cold bathing. Child cries when washed or bathed with cold water. Cold bathing causes violent headache, causes suppressed menses, colds from swimming or falling into the water. Relations complementary to squilla, similar to Bryannia ipecac, Lycopodium pulsatilla in gastric complaints, follows well after antimicrute pulsatilla mark sulf. Aggravation after eating cold baths, acids or sour wine, after heat of sun or fire, extremes of cold or heat. Amelioration in the open air during rest after a warm bath. Antimonium crudum, boric materia medica, black sulfide of antimony. For homeopathic employment, the mental symptoms and those of the gastric sphere determine its choice. Excessive irritability and fretfulness, together with a thickly coated white tongue, are true guiding symptoms to many forms of disease calling for this remedy. All the conditions are aggravated by heat and cold bathing, cannot bear heat of sun, tendency to grow fat, an absence of pain where it could be expected is noticeable. Gout without Gout with gastric symptoms. I repeat, gout with gastric symptoms. Mind much concerned about his fate, cross and contradictive. Whatever is done fails to give satisfaction. Sulky, does not wish to speak. Peevish, vexed without cause. Child cannot bear to be touched or looked at. Angry at every little attention, sentimental mood. Head aching, worse in vortex, on ascending from bathing, from disordered stomach, especially from eating candy or drinking acid wines. Suppressed eruptions, heaviness in forehead with vertigo, nausea and nosebleed, headache with great loss of hair. Eyes, dull sunken red, each inflamed, agglutinated. Canthi raw and fissured, chronic blepharitis, pustules on cornea and lids. Ears, redness, swelling, pain in eustachian tube, ringing and deafness, moist eruption around ear. Nose, nostrils chapped and covered with crust, eczema of nostrils sore, cracked and scurfy. Face, pimples, pustules and boils on face, yellow crusted eruption on cheeks and chin, sallow and haggard. Mouth, cracks in corners of mouth, dry lips, saltish saliva, much slimy mucus, tongue coated white as if whitewashed. Gums detach from teeth, bleed easily, toothache in hollow teeth, rawness of palate with expectoration of much mucus, canker sores, pappy taste, no thirst, subacute eczema about mouth. Throat, much thick yellowish mucus from posterior nares, hawking in open air, laryngitis, rough voice from overuse. Stomach, loss of appetite, desire for acids and pickles, thirst in evening and night, irritation, tasting of the ingesta, heartburn, nausea, vomiting. After nursing, the child vomits its milk in curds and refuses to nurse afterwards and is very cross. Gastric and intestinal complaints from bread and pastry, acid, sour wine, cold bathing, overheating, hot weather. Constant belching, gouty metastasis to stomach and bowels, sweetish water brush, bloating after eating. Stool, anal itching, diarrhea alternates with constipation, especially in old people, diarrhea after acid, sour wine, baths, overeating, slimy, flatulent stools. Mucus piles, continued oozing of mucus, hard lumps mixed with watery discharge, catarrhal proctitis, stools composed entirely of mucus, urine, frequent with burning and backache, turbid and foul odor. Male, eruptions on scrotum and about genitals, impotence, atrophy of penis and testicles. Female, excited, parts itch before menses, toothache, menses too early and profuse, menses suppressed from cold bathing, with feeling of pressure in pelvis and tenderness in ovarian region, leukorrhea, watery, acrid, lumpy. Respiratory, cough worse coming into warm room with burning sensation in chest, itching of chest, operation, loss of voice from becoming overheated, voice harsh and badly pitched. Back, itching and pain of neck and back. Extremities, twitching of muscles, jerks in arms, arthritic pain in fingers, nails brittle, grow out of shape, horny warts on hands and soles, weakness and shaking of hands in writing, followed by offensive flatulence. Feet very tender, covered with large horny places, inflamed corns, pain in heels. Skin, eczema with gastric derangements, pimples, vesicles and pustules, sensitive to cold bathing, thick, hard, honey-colored scabs, urticaria, missile-like eruption, itching when warm in bed, dry skin, warts, dry gangrene, scaly, pustular eruption with burning and itching, worse at night. Sleep, continual drowsiness in old people. Fever, chilly even in warm room, intermittent with disgust, nausea, vomiting, irritations, coated tongue, diarrhea, hot sweat. Modalities, worse in evening from heat, acids, wine, water and washing, weight poultices, better in open air during rest, moist warmth. Relationship, compare pulsatilla, ipecac sulfur, complementary sulfur, antidote hepat, dose 3rd to 6th potency.